The festive sound of traditional instruments announces the arrival of harvest season in Giresun. The region is world-renowned for its hazelnuts, and its cultivation supports much of the local economy.
This year, we kick off harvest season with joy. Hazelnut cultivation in Giresun dates back around 300 years, so it takes a big place both in the region's culture and economy.
Türkiye and the Black Sea region provide 2/3 of the globe's hazelnut supply, producing more than 700,000 tons annually. Türkiye accounts for about 80% of the world's hazelnut exports. Turkish hazelnuts are exported to more than 110 countries worldwide. European countries import most Turkish hazelnuts, but the US, Canada, and China are also major markets. Giresun is among the top 3 hazelnut producing areas across the Black Sea. It grows on average around 100,000 tons each year, helping make Türkiye the world's #1 hazelnut exporter.
There's a massive demand for Giresun hazelnut from companies all around the world. It's the only variety to be used for confectionery purposes, so chocolate makers are all sourcing their raw materials from this region.
The Turkish hazelnut industry brings more than $2 billion in revenue and provides job opportunities for people in the area.
Hazelnut is the main source of income for people from all walks of life. When August comes, everyone from teenagers to elderly people rushes to the gardens to harvest their crops.
This year's harvest was estimated to be around 750,000 tons. That's an increase of 12% compared to the previous year. Still, farmers in Giresun say they hope to take that number even higher to boost their efficiency and keep Türkiye at the top of the hazelnut market. Rumeysa Codar, TRT World, Giresun, Türkiye.